In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change content maturity on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so you can go ahead and set your content maturity to suit the age group of the person watching. You can switch between content for minor and content for mature people. To do that is pretty simple. Just head over to more option here and then scroll down to settings. Now, if you tap on settings, you see we have quite a number of options here. Go ahead and tap on privacy and content restrictions. From this, you'll now see the first option is content maturity. So go ahead and tap on content maturity. And here you can choose a content maturity level for your account. This controls which experiences you can join. And you have quite a number of them ranging from minimal, mild, moderate, and restricted. So if you're setting your account for maybe young adults or children, you can go ahead and choose between minimal and mild. However, if you want to expose content for mature people, you can choose between moderate to restricted. However, you have to note that by choosing moderate to restricted, then game content that contain violence and such related activities might be exposed to the viewers. Should you choose restricted option, then you need to go ahead and verify that you are an adult aged 18 or older to have access to this restricted experience. And for this, just go ahead and tap on verify. So for my case, I'll set it to moderate, and I'm told it may contain repeated moderate violence, light realistic blood, moderate crude humor, unplayable gambling content, or moderate fear. So I'm okay with that, and that's the content maturity I want to set for this account. So that's how you can choose or change content maturity on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.